Hey everyone, Mr. Marshall here. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to download and fill out a worksheet that you get from Canvas or online anywhere, so that you know how to do that. The first thing you're going to do is go to the assignments, and when you get in the assignments, you're going to click on the assignment and go, for instance, today's is thinking about me. When you click on thinking about me, you're going to click on this link, and when you initially click on this link, you'll see this come up. However, you're not going to want to fill out this worksheet online, because you can see I'm still on Google Chrome, and if you start filling things out, then you will not actually have a chance to save this, and when you turn it in, it will turn in a blank worksheet. So what you want to do is actually come up here to this, as you move your cursor up here, you'll see there's three buttons up here: print, download, or rotate it. You're going to want to click download, and when you click download, you're going to be asked, where do you want to download it to on your laptop? My suggestion would be to your desktop. It's easy to find. Once you turn it in, then you don't have to worry about it anymore. Some students like to put it in their documents folder, and you can make a careers folder if you'd like to. But I'm going to save mine to my desktop, thinking about me. And so when I click save, mine automatically opens up into the Adobe Acrobat Reader. And from here, I can actually fill it out. This is on my laptop. This is not online. For you, though, you may need to go to your home screen. There's my wonderful family, by the way. And when you get to your desktop screen, you can click on Thinking About Me, where you downloaded it. And so from here, then what you'll do is you'll fill this out and have a chance to make sure that you fill it out completely. Try to have a full sentences, and please don't write down "I don't know" or "NA", because everything is important on here. There are 2 pages onto this worksheet, for instance, so please make sure you do that. You will not need to necessarily sign it, but please put a date down. And the other thing that you could do, especially if worksheets do not have these blue fill in, is you would go to the comment section, and this is a way in which you can fill out a worksheet if you'd like to comment. And typically what you do is you click this T, the main one that's blue right there, and then from there you can go and write comments on a worksheet. And you can actually, comment anywhere on a worksheet. So if you wanted to put your name at the top, then that is fine. All right. Once you're done, you want to make sure that you go to File and Save. And my recommendation is that you would save it as a different labeled document. So Thinking About Me, finished. And then I know that that's the one that I want to turn in when I've got it done.